Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi adapters missing on Windows 11. To better understand the problem, please do the following. Press Windows X and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager, expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click on the Wi-Fi device and uninstall device. Click the Uninstall button, then restart your PC. This will fix most of the error. If the error persists, follow these steps. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Open the Power Management tab. Uncheck the Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power option. Click OK to save the changes and restart your PC. That's it. In this way, you can try in your PC. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.